In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of DocuSign on all devices. If you've signed in on a shared computer, a work laptop, or a phone you no longer use. The safest way to force everything to sign out is to change your password from a desktop browser. Then, sign out of your current session. DocuSign will automatically require every other device to log back in with the new password. Start by opening a desktop browser and signing into your DocuSign account. The desktop site gives you the full security settings you need for this process. If you're currently signed in on mobile, that's fine. Just complete these steps on the web so the change applies everywhere. Before we continue, you'll find a direct link to the official DocuSign website, along with download links for the mobile app right at the top of the description. Use those if you need quick access. Once you're signed in on the desktop site, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Manage Profile. This opens your account settings. In the sidebar, select Security to reach the tools that control your sign-in credentials. Choose Change Password. Create a new password that you haven't used on DocuSign before. For best results, pick a long passphrase or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that you can remember but others can't guess. If you use a password manager, save the new password there so you won't lose it. When you confirm the change, DocuSign updates your account immediately. Next, sign out on your current device. This cleanly closes the session you're using now and ensures you start fresh with the new password. If you plan to keep working, you can sign back in right away with your updated credentials. Here's what happens behind the scenes. Changing your password invalidates all active sessions tied to the old one. That means any phone, tablet, or other computer that was logged in will require the new password the next time it tries to access your account. If an app still looks signed in, give it a moment, refresh, or relaunch it. It will prompt for your new password. This protects your documents if a device was shared, misplaced, or no longer under your control. And that's it. You've forced a sign out on every device by changing your password and logging out of your current session. Check the description for the website and app links if you need them. Thanks for watching.